Erik Erikson's theory of psychosocial development in pediatrics. Introduction. Erik Erikson, 1902 to 1994, a prominent psychologist, expanded upon Sigmund Freud's psychoanalytic theory. Under the guidance of Freud's daughter, Anna Freud, Erikson developed his own psychosocial theory of development, which outlines 8 stages of human growth. 5 of these 8 stages specifically apply to children and are critical for understanding childhood development in nursing and healthcare settings. Erikson's theory emphasizes the importance of resolving specific psychosocial crises at each stage, with the outcome influencing future relationships and personality. Each of Erikson's stages presents a crisis, a challenge that must be met for healthy development. In this context, a crisis doesn't refer to a dramatic or traumatic event, but rather to normal maturational and social needs that must be addressed at each developmental stage. When these needs are met, the child develops a healthy personality. However, if these needs are not met, it leads to unhealthy outcomes that can affect future development. Erikson's stages of psychosocial development for children. 1. Trust versus mistrust, birth to 1 year. Task. The infant's primary task is to develop trust in the caregivers and the world. How trust is fostered. Trust is built through consistent care, including feeding, warmth, touch, and comfort. This early experience teaches the child that the world is a safe and predictable place. Outcome. If basic needs are not consistently met, the infant may develop mistrust, which can affect future relationships. Nursing implication. During infancy, ensure that basic needs, feeding, comfort, and care are met. Provide a secure environment and encourage parent-infant bonding. 2. Autonomy versus shame and doubt, 1 to 3 years. Task. Toddlers begin to assert their independence by gaining control over bodily functions, like toilet training, and making choices in their actions. Signs of autonomy. Saying no, choosing clothes, and exploring their environment. Unhealthy outcome. If autonomy is discouraged or punished, such as during toilet training, the child may develop shame and doubt about their abilities. Nursing implication. Encourage autonomy by supporting toddlers in making simple choices like picking out clothes. Be positive during toilet training and self-care tasks. Initiative versus guilt, 3 to 6 years. Task. Preschool children develop a sense of initiative by initiating activities, planning, and exploring their environment. Signs of initiative. Asking questions, initiating play, and trying new things. Unhealthy outcome. If the child's initiative is constantly criticized or suppressed, they may feel guilt and lack a sense of purpose. Nursing implication. Support exploration and creativity by providing opportunities for independent play and decision-making. Encourage curiosity and provide a safe environment for trying new activities. 4. Industry versus inferiority, 6 to 12 years. Task. The school-age child focuses on developing competence and mastering new skills. Signs of industry. Accomplishing tasks, participating in sports, and engaging in academic or extracurricular activities. Unhealthy outcome. If children are not able to achieve success in tasks, they may develop inferiority, leading to a lack of confidence. Nursing implication. Promote participation in school activities, sports, and hobbies that help build competence. Encourage success in task completion and praise effort, not just results. 5. Identity versus role confusion, 12 to 18 task. Adolescents work on developing a strong sense of identity and establishing a personal sense of self. Signs of identity. Developing personal values, exploring different roles in society, and understanding who they are. Unhealthy outcome. Adolescents who fail to establish a clear identity may experience role confusion, feeling lost or uncertain about their future. Nursing implication. Support adolescents by providing open communication and guidance as they explore peer relationships and individual identities. Encourage them to discuss their goals and concerns openly. Applying Erikson's theory in pediatric nursing. 1. Health promotion and parenting support. Erikson's theory helps pediatric nurses identify the developmental needs of children and offer appropriate interventions. By understanding the challenges children face at each stage, Nurses can provide guidance to parents on how to meet these needs and foster healthy psychosocial development. Infancy. Nurses should assist parents in meeting basic needs like feeding, comfort, and warmth. Toddlerhood. Nurses can help with positive toilet training practices and encourage autonomy. Preschool age. Nurses can offer guidance on encouraging initiative and independence. School age. Nurses should provide resources for helping children develop confidence through activities and praise. Adolescence. Nurses can support identity formation by encouraging self-expression and exploration of different roles. 2. Hospitalization as a developmental challenge. Hospitalization can disrupt a child's usual developmental supports, such as family, peers, and normal routines. This disruption adds a situational crisis on top of the child's ongoing developmental crisis. It is crucial for the nurse to meet the child's developmental needs while hospitalized and encourage parental involvement to ensure the child continues to progress through developmental stages. Nursing implication. When a child is hospitalized, it's essential to maintain routines where possible and provide emotional support for both the child and the family to prevent disruptions in development. Conclusion. Erikson's theory provides valuable insights into child development and how nurses can apply psychosocial principles to care for children at different stages. By understanding and addressing the developmental tasks at each stage, pediatric nurses can support healthy psychosocial growth and help prevent unhealthy outcomes that could influence future relationships and emotional well-being.